Here we read a sales file. Where each row contains the data for a sale contract. So there is the product that has been sold, the country of the sale, the date of the contract, the number of items that have been sold, the amount of money generated by this contract, and if the transaction happened via credit card or not. Some columns are of type string, some columns are of type integer. Some columns have missing values, like here, for example. Let's start with extracting all sales made in Germany. In this case, the configuration window of the row filter node has to be configured to find the word Germany in column country and to extract the data rows with the word Germany in column country. So first of all, we set country as the column to test. Then we define this matching criterion, use pattern matching criterion. And we use the word Germany as the matching pattern for this criterion. So here, if I find the word Germany in the column country, I'm going to keep the data row. Keep the data row is defined by this include option. If I select the exclude option, the data row would be removed and all the other ones would be kept. Let's have a look at the results. Execute, and now we are going to see the results, and there are only the data rows with sales that happened in Germany. The same criterion could be applied to a collection type column. In this node create collection column, I put the values of all the columns together in a single collection in a special column. The row filter then is applied to the collection type column aggregated values, pattern matching criterion is used, and the pattern to be found is the word Germany. Let's see the results. And again, there are all the sales that happened in Germany, and the word Germany was found in this collection column here. Let's suppose that now we want to extract all data rows with sales originating in the USA. USA can be US, can be United States of America. There are many ways of saying USA. So to be sure, I decide to extract all the data rows containing a word that starts with U in the column country. So the column to test is again country, the matching criterion is again the pattern matching criterion, and the pattern is U star. Star is a wildcard in Knime if this flag is enabled. So with this expression U star and with this flag enabled contains wildcards, I'm going to select all those data rows that contains a value in column country that starts with letter U. Small u or big U. So let's see the results. And here I'm going to have all the sales that happened in USA and also the sale that happened in an unknown country. Well, this one was actually not forecasted to happen. So how can I solve this problem and keep only USA and remove the unknown country? Again, country is the column to test. The matching criterion is again the pattern matching criterion. I'm going to use capital U star as the pattern matching, and I'm going to enable this flag case sensitive match. If the case sensitive match is enabled, only the data rows containing a country that starts with capital U are going to be selected, and in this case included in the output data table. Let's have a look. And here you have only USA and the unknown has disappeared. Finally, let's see how to extract the remaining data rows, that is, the data rows where country does not start with a small or a big U. So in this case, the column to test is still country, pattern matching criterion again, and the pattern matching is U star. Case sensitive is not enabled, so any data row with country starting with U, capital U or small u, will be selected. The wildcard flag is enabled because here there is a flag and I want to use it as a flag. And here is the difference with what we have seen before. The exclude option is enabled rather than the include option. So in this case, all the matching data rows are going to be excluded from the output table rather than included. So if I run it, I'm going to have all the sales in all the other countries besides United States and unknown.